Today I am going to review RoyalStock, which is created by Neil Napier and is going to launch on the 10th of February 11 AM Eastern Standard Time, so let's get started. RoyalStock is an extensive stock asset platform where you can build a profitable business. And you can build your own store full of stock media collections and sell access to those collections. Whether it's for you or your clients, RoyalStock will offer you millions of different options for customization and niching down to find the most profitable collections to sell to people who are searching the internet for them. And you or your clients can do this without any design or technical skills, over and over again. 3 easy steps to use RoyalStock. Simply decide what you want to sell and enter that keyword in DAMP. Let us give you the best choices of stock media under one virtual roof. ADD creates unique collections with our stunning images, videos, stickers and lots more in just one click. So use your copyright in DAMP. Watermark-free stock in DAMP. Sell it for unbeatable prices within minutes on your own personal Shutterstock-like site. Anyone can create high-converting, professional stock asset stores. And you can build your own store full of stock media collections and sell access to those collections. Whether it's for you or your clients, RoyalStock will offer you millions of different options for customization and niching down to find the most profitable collections to sell to people who are searching the internet for them. And you or your clients can do this without any design or technical skills, over and over again. Safe to sell stock collections. Now you know that most of the images online are copyrighted and you can get in serious legal trouble if you use them, much less sell them. But that's not a problem with RoyalStock. As long as people use our collections, or ones they set up, or even their own original assets, they can legally sell as many copies of their collections in our powerful stores as they want. They can feel free to sell their collections for top dollar to any niche from their Shutterstock-like store that is fully hosted on our servers. Users can also assign their domain to their store to have an even more professional commerce presence. And your users can create a store so targeted, that is so damn good, people just won't be able to get enough of it. Cha-ching. This of course means using the exact right multimedia, images, videos, stickers for a particular niche that work to make a lasting impression to bring customers back again and again as they add more collections that are in high demand. What if you could offer your customers access to a platform that gives them a next-level commerce platform to sell their collections of our stock images, empowers them to sell their own creatives in DAMP, keep 100%, let them quickly edit them and DAMP, profit from them, gives them the chance to find stock by niche keywords, ends the membership enslavement to selfish platforms, drives insane traffic and DAMP, leads, helps them find the best creative assets within minutes, and so much more. RoyalStock is perfect for digital marketers for promoting their products and services online, social media marketers for amplifying their content, bloggers for getting more reader traffic and leads, affiliate marketers for selling more products in DAMP, earning more commissions, website owners for making their websites reach a wider audience, entrepreneurs for establishing a strong brand image across all social media platforms, e-commerce in DAMP, brick-and-mortar store owners for attracting more customers, work-from-home individuals for making their own money with business and creative designs. You can check out the demo video of RoyalStocks from the description. That's all from me. To get access of RoyalStocks, click the link in the description. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to